Welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add and manage footnotes in Google Docs on your Windows PC. First, place your cursor where you want the footnote reference to appear in the text. Next, open the Insert menu and choose Footnote, or use the shortcut Ctrl + Alt + F to create one instantly. Google Docs will add a superscript number in the body and jump you to the footnote area at the bottom of the page. Then type your citation or note in the footnote area. You can format this text just like regular text, change the font size, add links, or anything you wish to do. Footnotes are numbered automatically and update if you add more or remove others. If you need to edit a footnote later, click its superscript number in the body or edit the text at the bottom of the page. To delete a footnote entirely, remove the superscript number in the main text. The footnote entry at the bottom will disappear and numbering will renumber automatically. Finally, use footnotes to cite sources, add brief explanations, or keep your main text clean while preserving helpful details. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.